Hi, fifth grade scientists. So today we're going to be talking more about sound. You're going to watch a video of Generation Genius with Dr. Jeff, and he's going to go into more detail about sound waves, how they move, what they're called, and different technical things about sound waves. But before you do that, I want to go over some common misconceptions about sound. Now remember, a misconception are things that we believe are true before we actually know more information that shows us exactly how wrong we really were. So I've got some misconceptions and then what really is true about sound. So one thing that's not so about sound travels like a beam of light. So sound does not travel like a beam of light. A beam of light travels in a straight line. And we know that sound, the way sound travels is by moving the air particles. It moves particles of the air so that we can hear the sound. So sound moves through air particles in all directions. It doesn't travel in a straight line like light. So it travels in all directions. So if we're standing behind something that makes a sound, we can still hear it because that sound travels out and away from there and travels through the air particles and then can come behind it as well as in front of it. Okay. Now, if you turn on a flashlight and you're shining it at something, the light only travels one direction. The light doesn't travel back on me when I'm holding the flashlight out like this. The light travels forward. Okay. So that's how sound and light are very different. All right. Sound can travel through space. So a lot of people think that if I were to go up into space and I was on the moon and I was clapping my hands, I would be able to hear that sound. All right, let's see if that's true. There's no air in space. So there are no particles for that sound to travel through. So there's no sound in space. So that's just not true. Now, it's interesting, today Dr. Jeff will do an experiment that will show you or give you a better indication of sound not being able to travel through space. So there's the video for you to watch. There is a worksheet for you to fill out about sound. And tomorrow there will be an article for you to read, which will also help you so you can go back and check your worksheet before you upload it and hand it in. And that will give you even more information. So if you're a visual person like I am and you need to read about it and then answer the questions, you can wait to answer the questions until tomorrow when you read the article. All right? So hopefully this clears up some misconceptions we have about sound. Watch that video, and there are some really neat things that Dr. Jeff does to show you about sound waves. All right? Keep watching, keep thinking, and always stay curious. I'll see you tomorrow.